You can see the dirt flying away from the base of Pulpit Rock. It's okay, little bird friend, I'll move. They're hungry. Yeah, this is gonna go for a couple more hours, and the wind gusts are just gonna get worse. Woo! Wind event.